I love this makeup. Although the lipstick is something.
Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So Sahib is chilling behind me and this is how I get to film. So moisturizing my face, and I'm using my Pond's Light Gel Moisturizer, and I wanted to do a eyeshadow matching with that top because that's what I was going to wear, but my Jaclyn Hill palette did not have that color. So I thought first I'll prime my face and then look into my closet what is there. I mean my makeup drawer. So yeah, I'm using my Nykaa primer. So I'm using it for the first time, or maybe second, but this is what I always wanted to do. Okay, so yeah, priming my face, it was very good. This time I followed few steps which I didn't before. So yeah, using a primer nicely. So yes, I was sitting quietly, although he was having. Okay, now what I used was, this was Miss Claire's single eyeshadow, what do you say, eyeshadows which I had bought long ago, but this did not pick up any color. So I really tried hard. This is a brush gifted to me by one of my friend. So yeah, so I tried to pick the color, but it was not as I wanted. So I took little water in my hand and then I dipped the brush and I tried to pick up the color, which did come, and I was slightly happy because after all वो लग रहा था थोड़ा yellow, but it wasn't exactly how I wanted. So I'm dancing because साहिब ने पीछे गाने लगाए थे. Okay,
So I plan to make you listen to the original music what is going on by DJ Sahib. Yay!
So I took the palette and I decided to go with this color because थोड़ा सा contrast करना पड़ा. Yeah, so this is a very pigmented palette. The colors are very pigmented. So yeah, I started to blend it in the crease. Now I always thought that ये लोग क्या बोलते हैं crease and उसके ऊपर, but this time I thought no, I'll try till I achieve something that I really love. But guys, believe me, as you're watching me blend the eyeshadow, just believe that what you're doing is right and it's looking good for you. Don't follow exactly what others say, although you should learn. But I think this today's makeup was very good. I was very happy, although मैंने ऐसे पहले भी किया है, but I always washed it out thinking that it was overdone and maybe not done properly. Although this time my blending was more precise and done very well. So yeah, you can see I am really nicely blending the eyeshadow, although still I don't know the words that are being used, inwards and outward direction में वो blend करो ऐसे. But anyways, I was really happy. Now I took this shimmer. It was a champagne shimmer, golden type. So I've placed it on top of the lid to make that look little glittery or shiny, which went really well according to me, and I felt it was really good. So yeah, so I placed that on the exactly in front on the eyelid, in the middle. Now I will quickly do the second eye. I don't want to show you the whole process, but I was again very happy. So now I'm using my Maybelline foundation. All the link is in the description box. This Folsy brushes I have from a very long time but never used them. Now I am removing all my brushes and putting them in good use. So using a brush for my foundation was the best thing that I did. It really blends the foundation very well, and it gives you a better finished look than using your fingers. But so I really liked using this brush. Although this side had more of the foundation, but later on I blended it very well and it turned out too good. although my makeup wasn't with the full coverage foundation, that I'm going to do slowly and steadily. I'm going to learn and do step by step. So this was a very basic one. You see I have not even used a concealer, because I did not feel that I needed a concealer. So yeah, the foundation was everything, and it really felt complete. My makeup felt complete. So using my Maybelline kajal, which is my to-go kajal every time. I love this kajal. It is so pigmented and so dark. Yeah. So I also plan to do a liner. I am using Avon's liner. Now these days I am doing a lot of practice for my liner, because not done regularly. So this time I could do it real precisely, trying wing liners, which came out pretty well. My Maybelline mascara gives you a finished look, and yeah, so I really loved my eye makeup. It was beautiful. I'm going to try so many other combinations. So yeah, with my Maybelline duo stick, I'm trying to contour over here. Now the thing with contour is that you have to blend this very well, although in this again I couldn't blend it very well, but it was still good. I would say yes, it was good. So baking and all is something more stepwise that we will learn further, hopefully together. Now I'm using my Savannah blush. I love this. It's a baked blush. It's beautiful. I think I'll show again. Yeah, I'm going to show you just a second. It gave a very good blushed look. Yeah, this is the Savannah. Now this is done by Sahib, so it's okay, it's useful, so no problem. Did a little on the nose. It's a baked one, like a highlighter, so I only used that. I did not use an extra highlighter for this. Now I was really confused with my lipstick. I used a different one before, but then I removed, and I'm using my Maybelline's. It's a very nude shade, so I applied the nude one. It looked good, but I changed it further, you'll see. So yeah, I really love Maybelline products. I have most of my products are Maybelline. So yeah, actually this was a little complete look with the nude lips, but I felt I really wanted to match it with my eyes, so I used a little of orange. It's my L'Oreal's lipstick. It's a beautiful shade, and I just dabbed little color all over the lips, so that it's not fully orange, but a tint of orange, which looked really good. I was very happy with the end result. I hope you loved this look.